Good day, ma'am. Today I will explain the contribution of tourism industry in our country. Tourism industry is important in our country because it allows us to better know our country about its beautiful places and historical features. Our country is rich in nature, especially in the places that are rarely visited by people. The Department of Tourism considered the 8.6% contribution of tourism to the gross domestic product and job sharing to 6.21 million Filipinos based on the latest data from the Philippines Statistic Authority as a milestone.